Okay, so today, I already kind of did a little bit. I cut O2 bung out of just like a fiero one I had, fiero crossover. And what I'm thinking my problem is that I have my O2 sensor pre-turbo, not the wideband, the oxygen sensor. I ran it like that before, but how I had it tuned last time, but like how I tuned it was in a basically forced open loop, which means that it doesn't even use the oxygen sensor. But how we're trying to do it now, using power enrichment and all that, it needs the oxygen sensor, and I think that's giving us issues. So, gonna try welding. I'm gonna put it right here. Hopefully that'll be fine. It's pretty close to the turbo, but I mean, is what it is. Hopefully it'll still work. It should be a lot better than what it was. So that's all that fucking matters. So let's get a hole drilled here, weld this bitch on, and send it. Hopefully you go start it, and hopefully it idles like a brand new car. Alright, well, there it is. Welded on. O2's in. I just gotta put the wideband back in. Put the downpipe back on, plug it in. And then we'll see if it works. So let's get it back on. Okay, so it's on. And I've just got this because I'm gonna have to extend these wires in order to run it how I usually have it. So, but yeah, let's go test to make sure that this is going to work. Alright, so. In theory, granted it might need to be tuned, so I guess that really won't know for 100% sure, but we'll see. Right now, I don't know if you guys can see these. Probably not, because that's 13.1. So, oh yeah, but it's I think it's working because it is idling. It's smoother, it sounds. So, I'm actually gonna go grab the laptop and we're gonna go log again the last 2.5. So let's go do that. Okay, so we're back. I feel like it did a lot better. It wasn't hunting as bad, so I'm pretty sure now it just, I mean, it's tuned. The tune is off because the oxygen, you know, it's off. So as right now, I think we made progress. We just gotta fix the tune, and I will have to extend the wires off of the oxygen sensor. So, but I'm all itchy from dealing with the freaking fiberglass. Plus, the mosquitoes are back already. Some fucking hell. Pretty sure they are, or they're nasty, or just annoying. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it, I believe. But yeah, she actually was doing pretty good in that one for how rich it was. So, but yeah. But, yep, that's probably going to be it for this one, guys. Now you know, this is why you don't put your oxygen sensor in front of the turbo, because it was here before turbo, pre-turbo, and then now I moved it to behind the turbo, post-turbo, whatever. But yeah, because I looked online, and some cars say it's okay, some aren't. Well, guess what? 3400s aren't. So if you're doing that, put the fucking oxygen sensor at the end. I'm not sure if where I have it is a great place. It's like 7 inches, 6 inches away from the turbo, but it should be fine. So when I redo the exhaust eventually, I'll relocate it, probably somewhere's better. I was kind of thinking as to what I want to do for my next exhaust. I'll flip you guys around here because you don't need to see my mug when I'm pointing in things. So yeah, so what I'm thinking is, I don't know, so like the turbo is going to get relocated back up here when I get the bigger turbo. That's when I got to do that first, and then I'll get around to doing this. But I was kind of thinking if we had it like go like this, and then like do a UE, and then it would split, and then I'm not sure where I'm going to go from there. I thought about going out like the sides. I could do like an exit right here on each side or something, or I could do a dual exhaust, because I have the spots, which I've also thought about doing because I don't like, it looks stupid to have those and then not use them. Yeah, I mean, if you got any suggestions on a cool exhaust setup, hit me up in the comment section. No comment is dumb till it's dumb. So, but yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.